Hey guys! Today ipapakita ko sa inyo ang top 5 free Shopify themes for beginners at i-explain ko rin ang features nito na ina-offer ng bawat theme. Ito ay isang beginner's tutorial kaya don't worry kung wala ka pang experience sa pag-setup ng theme mo. We'll go over everything step by step. By the way, kung hindi mo pa na-setup ang Shopify mo, may great deal kami sa link down below where you get a free trial and your first month for free. Nag-offer din kami ng $50 credit sa Shopify store kaya i-click mo ang link para ma-avail mo ang offer na to. Sige, simulan na natin. Kapag nakasetup na ang Shopify store mo at may product listings ka na, ang next step ay iset up ang storefront mo, which means kailangan mong pumili ng theme. Sa Shopify dashboard mo, scroll ka lang pababa sa left-hand side menu, makikita mo ang online store. Kada mag-open ka ng bagong Shopify store, may default theme na agad na naka-assign, which is Dawn. Ito ay free theme kung saan pwede mong iset up ang homepage, product page, collection pages, about us page, at contact us page ng iyong store. Magandang gamitin ng Dawn pero may iba pang free themes na available to use. And those are the ones we'll be going over today. Para makita at ma-install mo ang new themes, scroll ka lang pababa nitong page till makita mo ang popular free themes. From there, mavivisit mo ang theme stores at makakapili ng free themes by ticking this box right here. Once you're there, may 12 na themes na pagpipilian. Para sa video na to, pinili ko yung 5 favorite themes that I have personally used with my clients over the last 2 years. Bago tayo mag-go over sa themes na pinili ko, gusto ko munang mapag-usapan kung ano ang dapat mong i-look for sa themes. Una, dapat tignan mo ay ang responsive design. Importante na ang theme mo ay yung site na magandang tignan, madaling gamitin, at optimized for conversion. So, what does that mean? Ang theme ba na napili mo ay visually appealing? Maganda ba sa eye flow throughout the page? Kaya keep in mind your customer's journey throughout the process. Ano ang gusto mong makita nila at how do you want them to move about the product pages? Depending on your product, this will vary greatly. Ang free theme sa Shopify ay natetest at na-develop na ng Shopify developers, kaya rest assured na mabilis ang loading times at optimize ito for conversion. Pwede mo ring i-download ang iba pang apps at software para sa customizations tulad ng Replo na i-discuss natin sa susunod na video. Ang unang theme na gusto kong i-review ay Origin. Sobrang favorite ko tong theme na to kasi napaka-customizable ng layout nito at super responsive ng design. Ang features ng Origin ay may cart notes, in-store pickups, click to buy, blogs, promo banners, cross-selling, at recommended products. Ang homepage can be created with a beautiful layout and a banner that's wider than most. Meron din itong great Instagram feed integration kaya pwede mong i-add ang Instagram post mo directly sa homepage para mas magandang visual storytelling. As you can see, na-speed test na at na-approve na ang theme na to, kaya alam nating mabilis ang response time nito. Typically, maganda ang performance ng theme na to kapag gumagamit ka ng additional app integrations, which is very important as you grow your store. Kapag na-download mo na ang theme mo, pwede mong i-customize ang pages, pati na rin ang fonts at colors ng brand mo. Usually, kapag nagda-download ako ng Origin, agad kong nire-remove ang rich text block and add a banner to set it up more like an e-commerce store using its best practices. This site allows for many different blocks, from featured collection products to collection lists, multi-row, and multi-column sections. Pwede ring mag-add ng video gamit ang theme na to. Perfect para gawing homepage banner kung gusto mo. While ang Origin ay nakafocus more sa pagiging storytelling type storefront, ang next theme, Studio, which we'll be going over ay nag-o-offer ng mas modern aesthetic that showcases products in a more creative light. Ang studio ay may super responsive na layout din. Ang key features na gusto kong i-highlight ay SEO-friendly tong theme na to, specially coded to help you rank higher in search engines. Pwede ka ding mag-add ng video banner. I-adjust ang layout at styling as you wish at may built-in slideshow din ito. Katulad ng Origin, pwede kang mag-add ng cart notes, in-store pickups, quick buy, blogs, promo banners, cross-selling, at recommended products. Ang studio theme ay may built-in na FAQ page which is essential for some brands to help their products sell. Kapag tinry natin ang studio theme by installing it to the store, you'll be able to see the different sections provided. Kapag kinostomize natin ang studio theme, pwede nating i-delete yung original rich text section. Matitira na lang ang slideshow at pwede tayong mag-add ng other sections tulad ng featured collection products, collection lists, image with text, image banner, slideshow, collage, multi-column, and more. What is different on this theme ay ang collapsible content section na magagamit mo para sa FAQs o kahit anong type of information na gusto mong i-provide sa customers mo. Bukod dito, pwede ka ring mag-add ng videos at blog posts directly sa homepage. The next theme ay Taste. Highly responsive din ito pero some key features nito ay different from previous themes ay ang grid style layout nito, which showcases your products in a great fashion. Isa pang gusto kong Taste ay pwedeng mag-zoom in ang mga customer sa product images to check out the quality of material or stitching. Meron din itong features like size charts at shipping and delivery information na walang ibang themes that we discussed earlier. As we go through these different themes, mas advisable to think about the product you're providing at what kind of features those products will need. Let's take a quick look into Taste to see the different types of sections they offer. When customizing Taste at nag-click ka sa ad section, you won't have as many blocks na pagpipilian with prior themes. However, you can still customize with a slideshow, multi-column, and collapsible content. Ang sunod na theme ay ang color block. Ang color block ay perfect para sa brands na may malaking catalog, gaya ng clothing stores, shoe stores, jewelry stores, o dropshipping stores. Basta anything na kailangan ng branded menu at filtering capabilities, this theme is the right one for you. Ang color block ay may image zoom feature na I personally love. Pwede kang mag-download ng lookbooks at size charts. Meron din itong enhanced search feature at mega menu. Let's try it out and see what sections we have. As you can see, Color Block provides you with the same types of sections the other themes offer. Mula sa featured collections hanggang sa collapsible content, pwede mong i-customize ang iyong store at homepage however you like. Ang panglimang libreng theme for today ay Spotlight. Known ang Spotlight for its clean and efficient design at perfect ito para sa malalaking categories at brands na kailangan ng mega menu at stock counter. Once again, kung apparel na madaling maubos, bagay na bagay ang theme na to kasi may stock counter siya, may dagdag pa na features tulad ng cross-selling at FAQ page. Plus, may image zoom feature din siya na super gusto ko. Also, may kasama din itong size chart, shipping, and delivery information at mega menu. Kapag itinry natin ang theme, we can check out ang iba't ibang sections at blocks na we'll be working with to see if it suits our needs. Ang Spotlight ay nakasetup so that the homepage only lists your different featured collection products. Pero you can set up your page using best practices by adding an image banner sa taas ng iyong featured collection. Makakapag-add ka din ng collage and collapsible content to fill out your homepage, creating multiple points of contact for your customers. While we've discussed the top 5 free themes that Shopify offers, gusto kong i-touch base ang best paid themes ng Shopify. These themes will have to be purchased, but depending on the features you need for your brand. I would consider using our link below to look at the best themes Shopify has to offer. Kasama dito ang themes tulad ng Essence, priced at $250, to Prestige, which is $380. One-time purchase lang ito at kapag nakasetup ka na, you are set up for life. Ilalagay ko ang link down below for Shopify's best themes so you can check those out for yourself. So that's all for the top 5 free Shopify themes. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-sign up, may free trial tayo sa Shopify na pwede mong i-avail where you get your first 3 days free and your first month for only $1. For a limited time, we are also offering a $50 credit to the Shopify App Store. I'm also going to drop some links below para sa favorite naming e-commerce tools. As you know, our channel is about how to start and grow your e-commerce businesses, so we'd like to make sure that you have all the tools necessary to do just that. Sana nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel so I can continue making these videos for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.